They called it the Rock, a prison made of steel and stone, but we claimed it as our own, a message sent home. We are not vanishing, the cry went out across the sea. We took that empty fortress and renamed it the island of the free. We stood on that cold cement shore, under the watchful pale moon. We showed the world a spirit that wakes up and rises soon. Oh, for 19 months we held the ladders against the cold and the dark night, facing the pressure from the outside, just standing up for what is right. Though the water and the power failed, and the government pushed back, the fire in our hearts never dimmed. We stay steady on the track. They may have sent the federal marshals to take the land away, but the seed of resistance was planted, and it grows stronger every day. Prison made of steel and stone, but we claimed it as our own, a message sent home. We are not vanishing, the cry went out across the sea. We took that empty fortress and renamed it the island of the free. We stood on that cold cement shore, under the watchful pale moon. We show the world a spirit that wakes up and rises soon. The rock stands empty now, but the people